Come on, y'all. We almost at my dollhouse, man. It's a bat. Bomba clot. Sorry, dog, I go on. Sorry, dog, I go on on the tire in a bomba clot Wellington. Damn, this bitch sound good, boy. I hope y'all enjoy this POV, man. Just trying to get y'all little turbo noises slightly while doing it safely. It's hard to make the turbo make noise, but we're gonna change that up a little bit. We're gonna bring the turbo up more, so it'll probably be closer to the, you know, inside of the car so you can hear it. And once I hear the turbo more, bro, I'll be happy, bro. It's hard to hear it, so we're gonna bring it up a little more. Do a little modifications to it, you know. Hell yeah. Where the dispensary at? Bomboclat. Bomboclat. You hear that? Pull up on you. You better run. Shit sounds beautiful, man. I'm enjoying this car a lot. Who that behind me? Them boys? Nah, I can't be. Alright, so it's the next turn. So I could just do a little baby pool for y'all. Turn in real quick. Hell yeah. Hope y'all enjoying the POV, man. Make sure y'all drop a like. Make sure y'all drop a comment. And tell me what y'all want to see in the next video, man. We're just trying to, you know, I'm just going on a simple drive. So I just want to make it a little spicier for y'all, you know. Y'all hear that shit, man. I know y'all hear that fucking shit. Let's get up out of here, man. I can make it, but I don't want to make it. Come on, bro. You can, niggas like that can fuck you up. I'm trying to hold it. Nick from Skunk Life said my car sounds like an S58, so I gotta fix that boost leak bad. I think I got a couple boost leaks under there. Not boost leaks, but exhaust leaks. Gotta fix some shits. This shit back. And the exhaust rattles too a little bit, like on a cold start. So fix that shit. Oh shit. That shit sounds crazy. Let's get up out of here. Bomba blood clot. That's how it a go on. So it a go on. So it a go on. And they ask me why I don't cut up, because it's fucking too easy. They ask me why I don't fucking cut up. It's too easy, dog. It's too easy. Come on, man. Throw my shit in 7. Let me cruise a little bit, man. They ask me why I don't cut up, bro. It's too fucking easy, bro. Why the hell would I sit here and try to cut up with y'all? Car is too fast, bro. Damn. Where do these pops come from? Yeah, that no matter how they like me. Yo, yeah, what the dog said. That's my favorite part, when you just let off the gas and it goes. Priceless, dog. This motherfucking priceless. Look at this fucking fool. Fucking priceless sounds, man. I just been enjoying the car, man. Next step is build the transmission, and then yeah, we go from there, man. You know, turn it up even more, build the motor, bro. The 1500 horsepower, y'all. I hope y'all ready, man. Right now I'm just trying to, in between jobs right now, so you know we trying to get back to it so we could double up on the grind again. You know how it go, man. You always got to double up. You never want to single up, double up, triple up, quadruple up, but never single up. You know what I mean? Always keep you 2 jobs, not 3, not 1. You might need you 3 jobs if 2 can't get it done. You heard? That's how we affording all this nice shit. So don't think that nothing illegal is going on. Everything legal to get where we at. You know what I mean? And that's just it, you know? But yeah, guys. Hope y'all enjoying this POV, man. Just trying to make the turbo scream for y'all. Y'all hear that, bitch? Damn. Ain't nothing over here at all. Sounds a little crazy going slow though, I ain't gonna lie. That turbo though. It gets hot in here quick as hell. Damn. Alright, let's get up out of here. Let's get up out of there. I don't like cutting up with hella cars right next to me, because niggas be haters, bro. They try to block you off. Get out of the way, nigga. Get out of the way. You don't see 40 trying to make some noise? Y'all hear these turbo noises, man? What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another POV, man. We in the beast, man. We in the beast. Pulling up on my dog, you know what I mean? I want to listen to music so bad, but fuck it. We're going to listen to this turbo. Damn! That wastegate is so damn loud, though. That wastegate like overkills the turbo a little bit, bro. I love it. Let's see. That's comfort mode. Let me try sport and see if sport makes it sound a little louder. In a way, yeah. But I don't know. I need to probably bring my turbo up more because I don't hear the spool as like crazy. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the next thing. V2, we're gonna do some changes to the turbo, add a V-band on this bitch. You know, make this shit a little bit more enjoyable. Damn, sounds good, boy. Cutting out. I gotta make a left up here, so I can't really go too crazy. Hell yeah, guys. You know, how y'all been today, man? I hope everybody's doing good. Always start your day off with a positive mindset, you know. Right now it's nighttime because, you know, nice little calm nighttime POV, but, you know, in general, just always start your day off with positivity and it will always be returned back to you. Now we're truly fat. We trying to get high. Damn, bro, nothing on this street. What the fuck? Everything on Okeechobee, dog. I love when you let off the gas and you just hear